Guys, I want to show you this. A red color, a red bikini, guys. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Guys, I want to show you this. Ayan, a new bikinis, guys. Ayan, my new order. Ayan, guys, ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. Yung ating grand color. Ayan, 4 pieces to siya, guys. Ayan, ang ganda na aking likod, guys. Nag-shape na yung aking likod. Ayan, 4 pieces siya, guys, for only 350 pesos. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, the grand color. Ayan, guys, pack na pack yung ating grand color. One of my favorite color also, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya pang rampa, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pack. Ayan, ang kanyang likod. Ayan. So, ayan, susunod natin yung sukat, guys. The black color. Tara, the black color. Let's go. Guys, the black color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya, guys. One of my favorite color, the black. The black color, guys. Ayan. Pack na pack siya. I really love it. Ayan yung kanyang likuran, guys. Ayan ang shape yung aking likod. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. My problem, guys, only my tummy. Ayan. Ayan. Look, guys. Ayan, oh. Only my tummy, guys. Konting exercise na lang yan. And then, my body becomes perfect na, guys. Ayan, yung aking likod, guys. So, nag-shape na siya. Ayan. So, I'm so happy of my order, guys. I really love it. Ayan. My bikinis, one of my fashion, guys. I really love bikinis, guys. Swimsuits, dresses. Ayan, this is my fashion. Ayan, the next color, guys, is the color red. Let's go. I wanna fit this. Let's go. Look, guys, the red color. My number one favorite color, guys, the red. The red color, ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. Yung aking likuran. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my order, guys. I'm ready na. I'm ready na for my vacation, guys. I'm ready na for my honeymoon. Ayan, for my honeymoon, guys. O, diba? Pack na pack siya, guys. Pang honeymoon. Pang honeymoon, guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng aking likuran. Nag-shape na talaga siya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, the next na itong susukat natin, guys. The nude color. Ayan. Ayan, guys, yung ating next na isusukat. Ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack. Ayan, oh. My body is shaping. Okay, guys, the last but not the least. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda ng color niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng color nito, guys. Basta I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya, guys, oh. Ayan. So, kumpleto na yung araw ko, guys. Kumpleto na yung araw ko. I'm ready na. Ready na ako sa aking pagbe-vacation, guys. Sa aking pagbe-beach. Kasi, ayan, meron akong outfit. So, ready na ako sa aking honeymoon, guys. Honeymoon. Ayan. O, diba? Pack na pack yung aking likuran, guys. I really love it. Ayan. So, I'm so happy on my order because it's very affordable, guys. It's very affordable. Very cheap. Ayan, for only 350 pesos. 4-in-1 na siya, guys. So, that's it for today, guys. Ayan. I hope you enjoy my videos. I really love it. Pack na pack siya.